What's the meaning of ought dash? Ought. Ought.
AUT. AUT. The prefix AUT- comes from Greek and means self or same. When added to a word, it changes the meaning to indicate something that is self-contained or self-directed. For instance, automatic describes something that operates independently or without human intervention, while autonomy refers to the ability to self-govern or make independent decisions. Other examples include autobiography, a self-written life story, and autopilot, a self-steering mechanism in aircraft or ships. In general, the prefix AUT- connotes a sense of self-sufficiency or self-determination.